I've been trying really hard to get myself nice and organized, and I feel like a makeup organizer like this is such a great way to do that. This one here was sent for my review, and I love the design of it. I love that we have like the two kind of like open concept looks here, and then we do have the drawer below, but there's also something really cool about this one I'm going to show you in a second. I do like to kind of put some of my lighter products up here at the top, although the sides here are reinforced. This is a metal piece, so you know that this is going to be nice and strong. So and there is tons of stuff on here, and I could definitely overcrowd this if I wanted to, but I'm kind of going for that like minimal, like organized look. So one of the things, of course, we've got the great little drawer here where everything's just kind of tucked away inside. But one of my favorite things is you've got this little feature here, and this kind of pulls out like a tray. I think that's cute. So if you have the space, you can kind of pull that out because I think it makes it look really unique and different. But if you don't have the space, it's really great because then you can just kind of tuck it away at the back. So it just kind of depends on what you are going for. Of course, you don't just have to use this for makeup. This would be really good for an office space as well, for all of your, pens and pencils and papers and stuff. But I really like the modern design of this, and it's just such a great way to keep everything organized.